In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lesson downloadable in Teachable. If you want students to keep a copy of your video, audio, or PDF for offline study, Teachable gives you a simple way to add a download link right inside the lesson. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few tips so everything looks and works the way you expect. Start by heading to your course curriculum and opening the exact lesson where the file lives. This is the main area where all your lessons and sections are listed. Click into the lesson you want to edit so you're taken to the lesson editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your content laid out as blocks. You might have a text block and separately a block for a video, an audio file, or a PDF. Find the block that holds the file you want to make downloadable. If you uploaded the file directly to Teachable, you're in the right place. Keep in mind, if a piece of content is embedded from a third-party service, the download option may not be available there. Hover over that content block and look for the small gear icon, which opens the settings for that specific block. Click the gear to bring up the settings panel. This is where Teachable keeps options that affect just that one file, so changes here won't impact the rest of your lesson. In the settings panel, find the option labeled Show Download Link. Toggle it to On. You'll know it's active because the switch will turn green, indicating that the download link is now enabled. That's all it takes for this file. Teachable typically saves changes automatically in the editor, so once that toggle is green, the setting is applied. From the student's point of view, a clear download link will now appear directly below the file player or preview in that lesson. When they click it, they'll download the original file you uploaded. If you want the link to be extra helpful, consider using a descriptive file name before you upload, so students immediately recognize what they're saving. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. This toggle works on a per block basis, so if your lesson contains multiple files, repeat the same toggle inside each file's settings. Also, double-check the lesson in preview to see exactly how the link appears for students and confirm it's easy to find. And that's it. Navigate to your course curriculum, open the lesson, locate the file's content block, click the gear, turn on Show Download Link, and your students will see a download option right beneath the file.